So today I'm going to be giving you a virtual tour of our research vessel, the Laurentian. This is the ship from the outside. We're docked here in Muskegon, Michigan. And we're out here this week doing our July spatial cruise that we do monthly throughout the summer and fall. Here on the back deck is where we have a lot of our sampling equipment. This is our plankton survey system that we use to look at plankton in the water column. This is our carboy that we use to collect water from the lake to analyze for nutrients and other parameters. We have our UV radiometer right here, which measures the UV irradiance in the lake. And over here we have our mock nest system, which is a system of nets that we use to look at larval fish and mysis in the lake. Over here we have some of our other larval fish nets, zooplankton nets, and various coolers where we put our samples after we collect them. Of course, we have our Secchi disc that we use to measure water clarity at different stations. And this is the crane that's used to control and hoist the nets and everything up and down the water column. We have our zooplankton bottles over here. Once we collect our zooplankton, we put them in here for further analysis. So these are some samples that we collected yesterday. You can see there's a lot in some of these, lots of algae on top as well. That's everything that's out on the back deck. This is where we do most of our work. And then I'll show you, this is our CTD that we use to measure temperature, conductivity, oxygen, and all those parameters. There's all these sensors on the bottom. And this is the inside of the boat where we control a lot of that equipment from in here. So this is where we control the plankton survey system. The mock nest net is controlled by this computer, and the CTD is shown on that computer. And we run our acoustics from this laptop and everything. And this is the main galley area where we can cook our food and hang out during our sampling trips. The bedrooms that we sleep in are back there. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for listening.